Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for stickers in the Bitmoji application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the stickers button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then click on the search stickers button at the top of the page. And then just type in any word that comes to your mind, for example, love. And then if you type that in, you will be able to see all the stickers connected to love. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.